stars got vulnerable today in order to reach and inspire our young people during a large summit focusing on mental health. Coordinated Care hosted the event at Lumen Field for hundreds of kids ages 11 to 14. Powerful speeches were given by sports legends like Hall of Fame quarterback Warren Moon and former Seahawk Garry Gilliam about what they overcame in their lives. Moon talks about losing his dad at an early age, taking on a lot of responsibilities, and Gilliam opened up about his mom dropping him off at the age of 8 years old to a group home that took in orphans and kids from struggling families. They shared those emotional stories to show the kids that they can overcome hard times and that it's not weak to open up to others and ask for help.
I felt abandoned. I didn't know if I did something wrong, if I did something right. Do I get to see my family again? Do I get to see my brother again? And what the school taught me was about being a whole person.
I finally got that help that I needed really late in my career. Probably my last 3 years of my career, I finally decided to sit down and talk to somebody about the things that I was dealing with. And I just wish I had done it a lot earlier in my life, because it really would have made things, I think, a lot easier.
Nowadays, that's the power. Sharing your story, asking for help, making it normal not to be perfect.
Coordinated Care partnered with organizations including the Seattle Seahawks. It's their third year holding the Strong Youth, Strong Communities Summit. And one big reason for the event is the sheer number of kids who need mental health services.
135,000 Washington adolescents experience a major depressive episode each year, and over 80,000 calls were made to Washington's 988 suicide and crisis line in recent 2023. So it is really helpful for all of us to come together and bring the youth the tools that they can utilize when they are having these challenging feelings to navigate.
For us to hear these kids and understand what they're dealing with every day, I think that's great for us as adults to understand what they're going through.
Participants say what makes the summit different is that it's interactive, allowing those sports stars not just to give speeches, but to interact one-on-one with the kids and for the students to learn and support each other.
Pickleball players are worried for the future of their sport in Seattle. With 8 years of research